Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be making jalapeno popper steak crunch bombs. Alright, so before I get into what we need to make the jalapeno popper steak crunch bombs, I want to give a shout out to CJ Family Show. Now, Carter and Jake have this channel along with the rest of the family. And this show is awesome to watch if you like family bonding and togetherness. Go check them out. I'll put the link below. What I like about it is that they don't spend a lot of money to do family things. They make gingerbread houses and smoothies and try strange foods. They go sightseeing in parks, enjoying nature, all as a family without spending much money. It's so cool to see that, as so many families don't make time for that. Well, their channel just reached 500 subs recently and had a giveaway to show appreciation to their subs. They had 2 winners for a $25 gift card of their choice. So yay me! I won one of the gift cards, so I chose Amazon. Not sure what I'll use it for. Probably something for my channel. Thank you for the prize. I really appreciate it. And again, please go check out their channel. It's really fun to watch. So what you need for the jalapeno popper steak crunch bombs: 2 pounds of sirloin steaks sliced thinly, 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 cup cream cheese. Mine doesn't come in a little cup, so I'm going to go ahead and just use the 8 ounces because 8 ounces equal 1 cup. 1½ cups grated cheddar cheese. I'm going to be using the Fiesta blend cheese. 1/4 cup sour cream, 4 jalapeños finely chopped, salt and pepper to taste, and 10 8-inch tortillas. Now for the cheese sauce, you're going to need 1 can evaporated milk, 2 cups grated cheddar cheese, and again I'm using the Fiesta, and 2 tablespoons cornstarch. So let's begin. So you want to get a skillet and turn it on to medium-high heat. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. That actually was a little bit more because it slopped. And then you want to go ahead and add your meat and cook until it's brown on all sides. Which, as thin as these are, it shouldn't take very long. And as they are getting done, go ahead and transfer them to a plate on top of a paper towel. So go ahead and let your meat drain, and then you can pat the grease off on the top with a paper towel. Okay, I went ahead and cut my meat into smaller pieces. I'm going to go ahead and dump them in a big bowl. I'm going to add my softened cream cheese. Might have not let it get soft enough. And my 4 jalapenos. I cut out the seeds and the membranes. And you can use a food processor if you want them smaller bits, but I like a little bit of chunkiness and crunchiness in mine. And then the 1/4 cup of sour cream. Salt and pepper to taste. And then go ahead and mix it all up. And you want to preheat your oven to 350. All right, so you want to go ahead and take your tortilla shell put a little bit of cheese, a scoop of the steak mixture, and a little bit more cheese, and then fold it up. So it looks like kind of like a star. And I'll continue doing that. All right, so you want to go ahead and put these in a 350-degree oven. So while that is cooking, we're going to go ahead and make the cheese sauce. So we'll get a saucepan, and we'll go ahead and pour in the evaporated milk. And heat that up. And then you want to mix the cheese and the cornstarch together, and then add it to the evaporated milk. And stir it continuously until creamy and smooth. And I switched to a whisk. I thought I'd be able to stir it better, but look at it. It's nice and creamy. So we're going to go ahead and put it in a bowl. And this is what we're going to use as our dipping sauce. And you can use probably whatever cheese you want. Here is the jalapeno popper steak crunch bomb, and rounding off the meal is guacamole crunch salad. I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
Making this more complicated than it needs to be because I don't want to make a mess. Are there peppers in the cheese?
No.
No? This is good. It has jalapenos in it.
It does. Looks like the cheese is melted inside.
Yeah, the cheese inside's melted really well. Big bite. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.